But when we thought of taking the talent at the lower level, so we ensure that we rotate the talents across the businesses. So be it in the manufacturing, or be it in the service sector, or be it on the other areas in the businesses, we try to rotate them to give them a out exposure on the different areas. Because once we are building up a talent pipeline or leadership pipeline, these are the people who will be growing up on the ladder to take up higher responsibility. And it is not guaranteed that a individual who is there in one business will only grow in the same business. It can be across the business, and let me tell you, it can be across the function. Even today, I don't know about the lot of HR people who are interested to be in the HR fraternity at the first few rows who raised hand, whether they wanted to start their careers as an HR profession and retire as an HR profession. But we give an opportunity when it comes to that. There are people in the organizations, also in the HR, but have gone into different areas. They have gone into marketing because we found their strengths in the marketing. Because let me tell you, our system, which we have, the systems we have in India, unfortunately or fortunately, we get attracted based on the employability. The word employability, where the employment generations are high. So if today it is IT and ITS, even if I don't like, I am compelled either by my parents or my friends or by myself, I changed my views and get into ITs because I get employment fast, I get a hefty salary, and probably that's the reason I get into ITs. And very soon I get bored if I don't really find out the interest where I want it to be. And in the organization we have noticed such things. People have got into a wrong kind of a profession, but they have a knack in somewhere else. If you can really place where they have the interest, probably they will outshine. Probably they will be able to contribute. And they are contributing, let me tell you, honestly, they are contributing. Today, the person who is heading, who is the business head of one of my big business, he started his career as an accountant, and not as a chartered accountant, until a very ordinary kind of accountant. And when we saw the area of interest within him, we rotated him to head the marketing of one business. And he was heading the marketing. And then he was moved to the operations. And then now he is heading the business. And it may be tomorrow, it may be you, the HR people. Please be ambitious and look within yourself what really you want in your career to be. Not that, okay, by chance you wanted to really be in the profession, so you want to struggle to be in the profession till you retire. Because if you do so, then you are not doing justice to yourself, and you will never come up in the career. It will be very difficult. I'm not saying that, okay, you may not be head of the HR department, you may be head of HR department, but you may not be able to contribute the way you can. So please look at yourself when it comes to even starting your career with, or even if you have already taken some functions which you like or you don't like, but if the organizations give you an opportunity there in the organization, you have the opportunity to change your professions. There are some other ways also we do when it comes to even recruiting people, and it is through referrals. So in the organizations, what are the existing people we have? Through referrals, we do a lot of recruitments. And that gives us a confidence that probably the person will be more suitable to the culture we have. See, why I said that every one of is a talent, is every one of is intelligent, every one of is excellent in their own things. But it's the culture of the organization which really makes a difference. Many people may outshine in a particular culture, but they may not shine at all in a different culture. So there's a cultural fit which comes into play. So that's the reason why we thought that we will take people also through referrals, because the existing people understand the culture of the organizations better than anybody else. And probably the person whom they refer, they kept those thoughts in mind that whether the person will be really successful in the culture or not. And they will also be the mentor of the individual when it comes to taking the person. Of course, it doesn't mean that a person refer somebody's name and we take him outright. There is a process. The person has to go through the process. Now if he really successfully come out of the process, then he will be hired. But we give a lot of weightage when it comes to the referrals, because of only this reason that already somebody is there in the organization to take care of him, and when a person suggests somebody's name, he must have kept many things in mind about the success factor of the individual whom he is suggesting. So these are the few things when it comes to the recruitment in the organizations, and I can tell you best about what is happening in my organization, and I will be happy to answer most of your questions rather than giving you a lengthy talk on these things. If you have any specific questions, probably in the right time you can ask me, and I'll be happy to answer all those things. So thank you, and wish you a happy success in your career.